Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream today. My name is Michael Chu. Today is January 27th, Tuesday 2026 at 9:19 a.m. Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We are Nasdaq is moving up to 1% right now. Dow Jones down minus 0.7%. S&P is up 0.5. We have volume on both exchange Nasdaq and NYSE higher. So at this moment we look pretty good because we have higher volume up on both Nasdaq and S&P. So let's take a look at the chart here. We're going to look at QQQ first. We are really trying to bounce back, and right now it appears to cross the trend line here. Again, it matters more where it closes. So if we can close above the trend line today, at this level, that will be really good sign. So we're hoping to see that. Let's see how that goes. Right now, look at the intraday chart here. It's gap out slightly, and then very quickly we found support. The index continued to rally higher, so that also looks really good. Where we at. SPY for S&P is very similar. Let's go to the daily chart here. It looks like we are getting very close to hitting new high. Either we hit new high or yeah, it might be hitting new high. Let's see here. It's very hard to tell. But actually, let's see here. So the high was 695.31 here. 696.09. 696.09, so we hit 696.48, so just a tiny bit, right? So it's not really decisive. I like to see like a breakout to new high on a very decisive move here. So this is not very decisive at this moment, but who knows, we could close a lot stronger from here. We'll see. Today I think the Fed meeting will be starting. Tomorrow we'll see the Fed announcement to see what they say. So I think volatility might still be here. We'll see. Let's go to Dow, which is fairly weak today. You can see the gap down. It is bouncing back right now. It's near the 21-day line, below the 10-day. So this one looks, all of a sudden it looks a lot weaker than before. So yeah, so I'm not sure the exact reason, but at least at this moment it looks quite weak compared to S&P and Nasdaq. And then we have Russell here. Russell is also dropped below the 10-day this morning, but it looks like it's bouncing back a little bit again. The bounce is okay, but it's not any decisive bounce, right? You see it bounce here and then it quickly came back down, and then we bounce again right now, but again, who knows what will happen. So how today close might be very important because we have Dow and Russell kind of weak, right? Especially Dow, and then we have Nasdaq and S&P trying to push the upper boundary, right? So if they succeed, that's a good thing. If they don't succeed, that's a very negative thing. So every time you try to go for new high and you don't make it, it's usually means like you're slowly running out of power, right? So sometimes if you try and it works, that's great. But if it doesn't work, usually we have to be very cautious because the next thing that could happen is it just come crashing down. So that's something that I would be aware of anyway. Let's go look at stocks on the move today. Let me just refresh this for a second. We have Glow here and Net. Let's look at those two. Very big move on Glow. I believe Corning, GLW. It is. I think Meta signed a deal with them to provide stuff for their data centers. So that's the big jump right there. Not sure what the news is with Cloudflare, but it also making big move here. So it's coming out this long-term trend line, the 50-day. You can see it's a very big move. So yeah, let's see what else here. BAP. This is continue to do well as a foreign bank from Peru. It is moving up really strong. ECO Tanker, Belfields, XP, Vista Energy, CDLR, CLS, some of the kind of data center adjacent stocks like Selectica, they're moving today. Let's take a quick look at Coherent. This one is also moving today. Let me go to my list here for a second. And then we still have APH, yes. MPH here also moving. And then we also have ESLT from the aerospace defense trying to move at this moment. ARGX, OII, SCO, EMBJ, DB, Billy, BPOP, STX, Run, APH, Guild. Okay, so in terms of the data storage area, we're seeing continued movement here. Seagate. Yesterday, Micron was kind of not moving, but today it bounced back and make new high. Well, at least intraday, it may be a new closing high. We can look at SanDisk as well. Okay, so this one is reversing right now a little bit from this morning. We also have WDC. This one make new high. So yeah, so those areas too good. Let's take a look at gold. Gold price making new high at this moment, even to close here, but the stocks are not acting as well. I think HL, look at this, pulling back right now. All gold, yeah, it's all pulling back. So this is never a good thing when the gold price hitting new high, but the gold stocks are not moving. So let's look at SLV here. SLV also pulled back, but it bounced back this morning. So far, we'll see. Let's look at PAS. Okay, so it pulled back, it bouncing back. AG, same thing. Yeah. So yeah, so those are some of the moves today. Other than that, there's some bank stocks moving to BOH, UBS. UBS, and tech stock we have Light, MTSI. Yeah, those are some they haven't talked about yet. That's pretty much it. Like very mixed picture. Lots of reporting, earnings report right now. Things are gonna be volatile. It's gonna be like mixed and some up, some down. So very mixed picture. Just like the index are. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you all for watching, and of course we have big earnings coming out soon. So from the tech group. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.